Welcome to our farm, where healthy chickens are free to roam, cared for by the loving hands of our farmers. Today, let's visit and discover the process of harvesting delicious and nutritious eggs from these chickens. The egg harvesting process on our farm is carried out scientifically and safely. Modern machinery helps us collect eggs quickly and gently, ensuring the eggs remain fresh. Once harvested, the eggs are taken to the quality control area. Here, advanced machinery thoroughly checks each egg, ensuring they meet standards for size, freshness, and no cracks. Eggs are washed and dried using advanced machinery. Then, they are carefully packaged in boxes bearing the farm logo, ensuring safety and hygiene for consumers. The farmers on our farm always provide attentive care to the chickens. They receive nutritious food, clean water, and live in spacious, clean coops. It's thanks to this attentive care that the chickens are always healthy, producing the best eggs for everyone. Delicious eggs from our farm are used to prepare many delicious and appealing dishes. This fried egg, fragrant and golden brown, is a favorite dish among many. Let's enjoy the delicious and nutritious taste of eggs from our farm. Thank you for watching. Contact us to order delicious, high-quality eggs from our farm. We're committed to providing you with the freshest, safest, and highest quality products.